such good opportunities keep coming. Today we have with us Sushant Roshan, who got through on 26th December in his third attempt for NDA 145. First of all, give him a big round. So even when you look at Sushant, there's nothing very great about him. You know, you all imagine that army officers are very tall and very broad and very this and very that. And not that Sushant was anything great or nor was he anything. He was as good or as bad as anybody else is. What matters, as what we were talking today also during what, is how much of hard work, how much of sincere effort, and how much faith you have. Sushant also comes from a very natural, normal background, which is his father is a serving Havaldar in an AD regiment here. But we are not there looking for whether you are an officer's child or you are somebody else's daughter or somebody. What we want to see is with what preparation you have come. Sushant will tell you that he was screened out first 2 times. And then finally he got recommended. But before recommendation, he would tell you what is the difference that he made difference. I would not take much of his time because today is his day. And Sushant, we're very happy that you have made it. And I would like you to share whatever you want to share with the students, because you will be able to tell what's happening in the SSB today and what is the relevance of the way we teach. Is it impactful, or do you want any difference? Do you want any change by us to be made? We'll definitely be very happy to incorporate that. We're very happy with you, and give him a big hand again.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Sushant. This was my third attempt. Earlier 2 attempts was for TS entry, which I got straight out. Gurudeva helped me a lot for the preparation. The method they use and the complete detailing of processes is very good. Similarly, they give you a complete idea of what's going to be in SSB. And with their practice in GD and GPU, you can really get initiative over there. That you are having a good idea of process, and you can very well get a lead over there from the other persons. I had seen people from different coaching in my SSB. Some were from SSB Short, some were from AFPA. But I think they were not able to take initiative in my group, which I was saying. So in previous attempt, I will say I was prepared, but not at that level. I got screened out, but this attempt I had given my 4 months before my SSB. I started preparation. I was having a little bit low, I used to be having a problem with stories. So for the stories, I started first of all writing 3 stories for a single picture. In initial, it took me a lot of time, around half an hour for a picture. But slowly I started getting a good high level idea. Earlier it was to be a normal level ideas, but later it get high level ideas, and with time and speed.
So what Sushant is telling you is that these ideas will not come to you all of a sudden there. You must think, how can we help the society? How can we help the society? Is it only your job to get up early in the morning, eat, drink, study, get good marks, go and play games and sleep? Who is going to look after the child of that lady who just earns 3,000, 6,000, 9,000, 10,000? At best, it is your responsibility. So therefore, this idea is not only educating himself, but I will, whatever he has told me, I have drawn the diagram. Very soon you will have that. That the child of the man saw a boy around 12 years working in his garden, and he called him, "What are you doing here?" He said, "Bhaiya, I go to school, but for I do not come from good family. In the sense I don't have sufficient money. And he felt, look, I'm so lucky that I'm born to this lawyer or doctor or whatever his father was. So why should we not help this fellow? You all in your homes or in your villages or in your society have so many other young boys and girls who do not have that type of opportunity that you had. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
Is it your responsibility to bring up that child or not?
Yes, sir.
That is what he means by higher ideas. You keep your house clean, but who will think of keeping the society clean? Is it your responsibility?
Yes, sir.
You study here, you have paid us money, but when you are leaving this room, whose responsibility is to switch on all these extra lights? That is apne bare mein. There's something that she told today. I do not know what was the word. कि अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए? What was the sentence, beta?
Live for others.
Living for others is equally important. Who will look after that teacher who taught you in the primary, but right now when children are not there? Who will look after the neighbor, their children? The ayahs who come and work for you in your colony. You all are grown up, males and females. You all know that there are needs of ladies. You are, at least you can say, ठंडक लग रही है. आप दो जैकेट पहने हुए और स्वेटर पहने हुए हैं, और वो गरीब बच्चा जो आपके घर में डिलीवरी करता है, सामान उसके पास एक स्वेटर भी नहीं. आपने देखा है कि नहीं देखा?
Yes, sir.
फटा हुआ शर्ट पहना हुआ होता है. तो क्या ये आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है कि आप अपने शर्ट्स में से 2 शर्ट कम करें कि इस साल मैं 2 शर्ट कम खरीदूंगा और वो पैसा जो मम्मी मेरे बर्थडे पर कर रही है उससे कम एक बच्चे को मैं 2 शर्ट दिलवाऊंगा. कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते?
Yes,
तो
sir.
2 शर्ट से भी ज्यादा जरूरी है. मम्मी दिस ईयर आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि जो दीदी अपने घर में काम करती है उसके बच्चों का सारा बुक्स और कॉपीज जितना स्टेशनरी वो हम लोग देंगे. कैन यू गिव और नॉट?
Yes, sir.
पिज्जा खा के तो आप लोग अगले दिन निकाल देंगे सुबह में, बट देयर इज सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन योर हैंड. दैट इज व्हाट यू गॉट टू jot it down now around your life. Make some steps on that, and that is what Sushant is telling, are higher level stories. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
अगर आप मेहनत करेंगे जीत आपके हाथ में होगा. Always remember that is services selection center. लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं the rejection center. Naturally, rejection is the process of selection. अगर मुझे आप जा रहे हैं आम खरीदने के लिए, आप ये थोड़ी ना पूरा आम ले ए भैया ये खराब है, ये हटाओ वो हटाओ. आपको बेस्ट मिल जाता है. वैसे ही हम भी करते हैं. एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू कलेक्ट कचरास. वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दोज हु आर हार्ड वर्किंग. बाकी अगर हौसला है मेहनत करने का जो नजर आ जाएगा आता है, तो बाकी तो हम हैं संभाल लेंगे. हमें ना रंग का भेद है, ना किसी जाति का भेद है, ना मुझे लंबाई चौड़ाई ऊंचाई नीचाई, वो मेडिकल का काम. हमें सिर्फ मतलब है बंदा या बंदी में दम है कि नहीं, मेहनत करके आए कि नहीं. आप मुंह खोलेंगे पता चल जाएगा आप मेहनत करके आए. आप यहाँ भी मुंह खोलते हैं हमको पता चल जाता है. सो वी विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट. वी आर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ यू Shant. You've done your parents proud. You've done your school proud. You've done your teachers proud. You have made Gurudeva proud. Once again, I will request you all to give him a big